Welcome back, creative minds, to another exciting episode of Product Critique, the channel where we dive into the latest and greatest tech gear. Today, we've got something special for all the artists, designers, and digital creators out there: the Wacom Intuos small graphics drawing tablet. Stay tuned because this device is about to change the way you unleash your creativity. Introducing the Wacom Intuos small graphics drawing tablet, your gateway to a world of digital creativity. This tablet is not just a gadget, it's a canvas for your imagination. Let's explore its remarkable features. The Wacom Intuos is powered by EMR technology, offering an unparalleled drawing experience that feels like pen on paper. It's precise, responsive, and, the best part, it's battery-free. Say goodbye to constantly charging your stylus. Here's the beauty of the Intuos: it plays well with all software. Whether you're into digital drawing, painting, photo editing, design, or even marking up documents, this tablet is your versatile companion. The pros know best, and they choose Wacom. Professional graphic designers prefer Wacom's industry-leading pen technology. It's no surprise that the Intuos tablet is their go-to choice for unleashing their creativity. But that's not all. When you purchase a Wacom Intuos tablet, you're not just getting hardware. You also receive a bundle of creative software and access to Wacom's online training resources. It's like having your personal digital art studio at your fingertips. For over 40 years, Wacom has been the global leader in drawing tablets and displays. You can trust Wacom to help bring your visions, ideas, and creativity to life. The Intuos isn't just for artists. It's a fantastic tool for education and remote work settings. Use it to write, edit, or convey ideas effortlessly, whether you're a student or professional. Handwriting isn't going away, it's evolving. Wacom's unique pens bridge the gap between analog and digital, giving you the flexibility, accuracy, and speed of pen and paper, all in one. As technology becomes more prominent in classrooms, Wacom ensures it enhances the learning experience. Teachers can stick to their teaching methods, and students can learn naturally, just like with traditional pen and paper. Did you know that handwriting improves memory retention? It's ideal for subjects like math and sciences. The Intuos tablet is your digital canvas for effective learning. The Intuos tablet features a compact design, saving valuable desk space. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for moving between home, school, and work. Customize your workflow with the Intuos tablet's express keys: 4 on the tablet and 2 at your fingertips. Work the way that suits you best. Setting up the Intuos tablet is a breeze. It's plug and play with Chromebook, and it's compatible with macOS and Windows. Configuration is easy, and Wacom provides premium support. Speaking of software, the Intuos tablet comes with a suite of applications for digital painting, drawing, photo editing, note-taking, and more. It even works with most software available on Mac and Windows. At Wacom, innovation and craftsmanship are at the core of what they do. They're always looking ahead to refine their products with your creative future in mind. With Wacom, you're investing in unmatched quality that stands the test of time. And there you have it, the Wacom Intuos small graphics drawing tablet, the key to unlocking your digital creativity. If you're ready to take your art, design, or note-taking to the next level, this tablet should be at the top of your list. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Have questions or thoughts about the Intuos tablet? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we explore the coolest tech gear out there. Until next time, keep creating.